Enough house projects. Time for a tour of future projects and all my stuff in my studio. I got these dome things for Halloween. Never made the tutorial because I was busy working on the stairs, so now I'll just make it into a Christmas project. I used to have a line of paper crafting embellishments called Mermaid Tears, and I recently found a lot of the inventory. Some of it's on my Etsy store, but some of it I haven't even shown yet. Until now, I thought of a Christmas tree project to do with buttons, so that will be a tutorial. I have a Nutcracker Ballet project, but I don't know if I'll have time to finish that one. Here's a fairy in a jar I made. Let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on that. I did a tutorial on this project last year. It uses half of an acrylic ornament. Here is another fairy in a jar. I had 3 of these. The yellow one's missing. This section is all stamps, which I used to always use in my little mini photo albums. I think nowadays they would be called junk journals. My line of embellishments was for scrapbooking and paper crafting, but I also designed a die-cut paper doll, where she comes in a kit and you get all the pieces. You just have to glue it together. Each kit is a different doll with a different costume. So the name Scrapbook Siren is the mermaid paper doll. Get it? Because a siren's a mermaid? But my paper dolls are extra special. They came with optional breast enhancements. See, she has pop-up boobies. Yeah, I got the side eye from other vendors in 2003 when I launched this at CHA trade show. Here's a swimsuit one. She's missing her hair. Here's another one missing her hair. This was a custom one I made for a friend. Happy accident was that Jolie's embellishments perfectly fit in their hands. A design team member of mine made this, but this is black velvet paper. They were just very sophisticated and cute. The showgirl one was a real favorite. I had her in white feathers, pink feathers, and teal, and red. Okay, and this mini book I actually have in a kit somewhere. If I find it, I can do the tutorial and then sell the kits. This was something I made from a Dollar Tree little notebook. It was a teacher's gift, using my school kit embellishment that is on my Etsy store. Comes with charms and beads. This pirate book is also a kit. I gotta find that somewhere so I can do a tutorial on it. Comes with everything except the photos. All these are paintings that I did, so they come with the kit. And you can see I used a lot of stamps, so I pre-stamped some of these papers. This photo shoot of the boys was like, okay, put this stuff on and look happy. I need photos for a pirate book, damn it. The Black Pearl really was at Redondo Beach though, so that was cool. I used to make these type of mini books all the time. This is just a 12 by 12 piece of paper cut in 4s. This I taught in Adam's kindergarten class. It is a paper bag book that was really popular in the 2000s. I had all these books in a basket, and bleach fell off the washer and sprayed all my books. So that's why some of these are damaged, like this one. This is another mini book that I made. I was actually on a web show before watching YouTube was a thing called Scrapbook Lifestyle. So I would get tons of paper and stuff for free, and then we'd have to make a project for the company and send pictures. This is another paper bag book. This is all in like Russian churches theme. See, here's a hidden pocket I was talking about earlier. And then here I just made a pocket. I was actually in the Soviet Union shooting a film, and we got caught right in the middle of the coup. Like tanks going around us. I'll find those photos and share that because that was an interesting experience. But I really want to get back into making these kind of books. See, here's a little insert for a photo. I guess I'll have to call them junk journal books. This is just shipping tags and Ranger ink and some ribbon, little mini photo book. I have another mini little photo book. This little album is unfinished chipboard that I painted with acrylic paints. And then I just printed little mini photos. This is the only time I went on a cruise, 2006. One thing that's typical for me to do is put a bunch of fibers and ribbons and then string beads or charms from them. This company, I forgot the name, but they gave me this paper and this chipboard book, and I made this little Halloween album. I never put any photos in it though, but I absolutely love their paper. I know I have more of it in my cabinets of scrapbook paper. This is a very simple project. I'll probably start with this. Here's one of my embellishments. And this is a kit that I have on my Etsy store. It's the kit that comes with beads, these 3 charms that you see, and this little bottle. This book is just 12 by 12 paper cut in 4s. I had cardboard for the cover, which I painted with craft metallic paint. It's like a teal pearl. Japanese paper that I used to sell. I know where that is, I just have to get it out of the shed. And then I run it through this machine that gives it this effect. What I did find in the shed was this treasure trove of ribbon slides. I have so many. cowboy hats, hearts, boots. These aren't on my Etsy store yet. I just found them. I don't think these are on there either. These are nail heads in all different colors. There's pearl and there's just metallic ones. They're so cool. I'm going to embellish a jean jacket with them. I'll have to take photos of them too and then list them on Etsy. So let me know in the comments which project I should start with first as a tutorial. Right now I'm just working on some pocket shrines. These are ready for the resin coat. All of my pocket shrines get a coat of resin on the outside cover just so that the stuff doesn't fall off. This holy card I actually got at a well-known church that I forgot the name of in Washington, D.C. It's the famous one. I totally forgot the name of it. This I still need to put rhinestone chain on the outside, but the inside's done. And of course I got double rhinestone chain on that side. For this project that I'm going to make into a Christmas snow globe type, if you can't find those at Dollar Tree anymore, you can just use a jar and turn it upside down. And don't worry about this part, I have a cute hack for that. So get your little Christmas stuff ready.